Grant, you're on with show and tell.
So this is a part from my 1982 BMW R100 RT. It's a 1000cc two-cylinder boxer. This happened coming back from Sturgis in 2020, the summer of COVID, and it happened about 25 miles east of Cheyenne, so getting to the middle of nowhere. And the strange thing was, it still ran.
Ooh. Wow!
Oh my gosh.
Are you kidding?
It's not supposed to.
Yeah.
It's not supposed to look like that or
It's
run.
been going
Yeah.
fast.
How could that be?
It snapped
Wow.
the exhaust valve head off, which
Oh my
danced around.
Gosh.
Punched through
just
the
a-
piston.
Oh my god.
But the connecting pin, which has moved a little bit now, was still in place. So it was running on the other side, making probably 6 horsepower.
Yeah.
And this was moving back and forth. And
It's just doing its thing. The ring stayed put.
Oh, that's unbelievable.
Wow, look at that.
That's pretty scary.
Pretty grim.
So there,
Wow.
there shouldn't be a hole there.
No, Peter. Peter,
Some Bondo,
no.
some spackle, nobody will
learn
ever
that
know.
from the
This
upper
isn't your
landing.
face.
Well, you know, hey,
Wow.
you gotta add sandpaper to get me better.
Oh, still.
So what was running on it?
Jeez,
Like
that's
one
crazy.
cylinder?
Yeah.
yeah, so the other cylinder was running. The exhaust valve in this one just stretched and stretched and stretched, and then it just popped off. Just the top of the valve popped off.
Where'd it go?
The engine's still running.
It went into that there piston right there.
Jeez.
Took out the jug, took out the head,
That's wild.
took out
Passing
the...
around. That's
Yeah.
crazy.
Show and tell goodies.
What was happening to the gas?
BMW
Was the gas
Motor
still
Works.
exploding in there?
The gas was mixing with the crankcase oil, and the crankcase oil was escaping out. So it was like a James Bond moment.
Holy crap.
Like you knew it was.
He hit smog
pepped up,
switch.
but it was like all of a sudden almost no power. And
That's crazy.
what would happen next? Like, lose power, right?
Wow.
I was able to start it the next morning, and it had enough oomph to ride itself up into a U-Haul.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
So it was probably maybe.
Go BMW.
Holy.
BMW does make some amazing products.
Golly.
8 or 10
Their
horsepower.
There you go.
electronics.
Jeez, that's wild.
This is the worst we've ever seen.
That's one.
Yeah,
That
that's
where it's still shaped like a piston. That's pretty much in the top 5.
Yeah, it is.
I'm stuck in there.
Usually there's pieces of piston in the oil pan if it
Wow.
got hit that bad. Yeah, oh yeah, there is. Just a little. Nice show and tell, Grant. Good job.
That's some good wall art.
That's art. That's wall art.
We can
Desk
take
art.
a
he
smaller
can do some
box
bling.
for this?
No,
Yeah.
this is my moving back and forth box.
He had it with this kitchen
Yeah, but I
glass.
mean, if
Yeah,
you
I know,
keep it
right?
In a small box, I have
I'm saying
small
kitchen
boxes
glasses.
for you.
He must have some.